My name is Brett Snyder. I'm the Director of Operations for Ergodyne. We manufacture industrial safety products. A year ago, we implemented a software that was founded by many of the same people that started StockIQ, so we had a great relationship with them. And the reason we explored that initially was because we were using primarily Excel spreadsheets, and our company was outgrowing that technology and we needed something with more dynamic forecasting. StockIQ's presented a really nice solution from a user interface standpoint and has helped us reduce our overall inventory while also increasing our customer service levels. A couple more things, I guess, on the why. I think StockIQ presents a really great technology, but it's also easy to use. It has reduced our, as I add new inventory planners, demand forecasters, a comment I get frequently from them is how easy StockIQ is to use and learn. So it's reduced our onboarding time by quite a bit, and those people can be efficient using the technology pretty quickly. And then their support team has just been really great to work with, and they continue to take client input and make their product better based on what users would like to see. So I think that's very valuable. So yeah, overall, it's just been a really great technology that's helped us, again, onboard new people and teach inventory planners the basics, because it's such a usable interface, and like I said, has reduced our purchase order time, reduced our inventory, all while maintaining customer service levels.